All right, guys, so good morning. Here's my breakfast. So you just saw me make spinach. I just kind of sauteed the spinach with some garlic, onions, and I also did some chia seeds to top it off. My go-to, you guys know I love oatmeal. That's like half a cup of raw oatmeal. And then I have blueberries and banana, and of course lemon water. So first I'm going to start with my lemon water and work my way around. So this is my healthy breakfast, one of my healthy breakfast options for in the morning. So go ahead and try it out. Comment below, let me know if you guys like it. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube, Rad Event 1 on YouTube. All right, off I go. This looks so delicious. I've got to get into this right now. Woo, have a good day, guys.